Okay, for this video, we're going to work with MA7GR 1.3, and our problems are 1 and 2. Problem 1 says, what is the circumference of the circle in centimeters? Express your answer in terms of pi. So we know that circumference can be pi d, or circumference is 2 pi r. This here, from here to here, and it goes through the center of the circle, that one is called the diameter. So because it's the diameter, we're going to go with circumference equals pi d, which means I'm going to write C equals pi d, and I'm going to rewrite my pi and then place my d, which is this one, 18 centimeters. So once we have the formula with our numbers from the diagram, we need to look at how they want you to express your answer in terms of pi. So this answer is in terms of pi. We just have to rearrange the numbers so that we get 18 pi is the circumference. So C equals 18 pi. Next problem. What is the diameter of a circle with a circumference of 37.68 inches? So they give you the circumference, but they want you to find the diameter. How do we do that? Well, like I said, we have two formulas that we could work with. We have circumference equals pi d, or circumference equals 2 pi r. This one is asking for diameter. So I'm going to go with circumference equals pi d. And that means I have to rewrite my formula. And I'm also given circumference equals 37.68 inches. So that number is going to be in replacing the C in my formula. So that I have 37.68 equals pi times d. Now we need to divide one-step equation, divide by pi, and that means that d should give you 37.68 divided by 3.14. So this means that 37.68 is actually divided by 3.14, because that's what pi equals. So we're going to use this calculator here and put 37.68 divided by 3.14, and that gives us 12. So our answer is 12 inches.